Hello, welcome to my class. In the students class, what I will do, I will show you how to start the Spark shell, and at the same time, I will show you how to do the word count. Okay. So I'm changing the directory, just check. And what I need to do, I need to okay. So this is I'm changing directory. Now I'm entering the enter the bin folder of the Spark 2021. Here I have installed the Spark files. Now, after that, what you need to do, you just need to type the Spark shell, this shell command to start the Spark. So it will take a little bit of time. So you just check. Meanwhile, what I will do, I will show you the content of the. So this is the content. That is this example 3. Here you will get September, September, September in the first line. They are comma separated. And in the next line, I'm having this October, October, comma separated. And what is my task? In each line, I need to means count how many times I'm getting September, how many times I'm getting October this way. So let's see. So it is initiating Spark. Yes, you are in this. Now, the first thing is when you are starting the Spark shell, in the Spark shell, always keep in mind that is here we need to type the command. And in the Spark, the fundamental data type is RDD, that is a resilient distributed data set. And this data set, what is this thing? Now you need to do all the tasks using this RDD. Now you can create RDD in 3 different ways. First is you can create an RDD just using the spark context dot parallelize, then pass this array and number of node. So it will create an RDD. Okay. Next is from an RDD, existing RDD, you can create another RDD. Why? Now RDD is immutable. You cannot, change an RDD. Only thing you can do from an existing RDD, you can create another RDD. This is known as the transformation. So certain commands we can use to transform the RDD. Say for instance, in the RDD, you are having 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you want to multiply each item with by a numeric value 2. So it will create another RDD. And the third one is when you are loading an external file, so it will create an RDD. So these are the 3 approaches. So in the students class, what I will do, I will show you how to create an RDD when you are loading an external files, how to load it. Now, always keep in mind that in case of this RDD, that is RDD is immutable as I told you, and at the same time, 2 types of commands you can use on RDD. One is the transformation, another one is the collect. Transformation means you are converting, means you are transforming RDD from one RDD to another, and at the end of the transformations, you can check all the transformations using DAG. It is called the directed acyclic graph. Now, DAG is very, very important as because any times if any node fails, then if you check this DAG, you can create this RDD from the scratch. Okay, so that's why this DAG is very, very important. I should say the transformation command and DAG is a royal combination. Another one is the action command. Action command is basically required to generate the result from the RDD. Until and unless you are using this action command, you cannot generate the result from this RDD. So that's why it is called lazy computations. Okay, so let us start with RDD. Say I'm saying this val RDD is equal to spark context dot text file, and here I need to pass the location of the file. Okay, so the location of the file is basically I'm keeping it on my desktop. So, and I'm not using this Hadoop as I told you. So what I will do, I will directly pass the the location of this file. I will just change the backslash. Okay, you can check here, that is, and after that what I'm doing, I am giving the name of the file is example 2.txt, and this is the location of the file. Then what you can do, that is flat map. Then you can pass, this is line dot split. You are splitting each line. Now how you are splitting, that's as I showed you, that is they are comma separated. So that's all. Now after that, what you need to do, you are using this map command, and each word you are taking, you are creating a tuple basically, that is word comma one, how many times this word is appearing. Okay, and after that you are giving the semicolon. Now you are doing this flat map, then you are passing this expression just like this lambda expression. In Python, it is called this anonymous functions. Now the Scala is similar to Python, so you can easily learn Python and the Scala. And if you know the Python, so it will be easier for you to learn the Scala. So it will take a little bit of time to create this file. This RDD is okay. Now from this RDD, I want to create another RDD. This is result. This is RDD dot. This is reduce, because I want to count all the words, how many times it is working, and I'm using the summation, means I'm summing it up. So that's why reduce by key, this one. I think it is giving some problems. Let me check. Result reduce by key. Okay, it is working, no problem. So result dot collect, the result dot collect found where. Okay, let me check this command. Example 2.2. Okay. Now this the problem is that there is no there is a typo mistake. That is, the name of the file is example3, not example2. So example3.txt. So if you enter here, so now it will create. Okay, cool. So now what I need to do, that is well, I am creating another RDD. So this is RDD dot reduce by key, that is reduced by key, the summation you are doing, then semi-comma. Okay, yeah. Now, as I showed you, that is the moment, you by mistakes, you are giving the name of a file which is not existing. So immediately Spark will throw this error. Okay, say input file, input path does not exist. So this file is not available on my laptop. So that's why it's showing this error. Okay, clue. Now the next thing is, there is only 2-3 lines commands you need to use. Now what I need to do, that is result dot collect. Okay, let's see this result. See, it is showing that is how many times you are getting this October, how many times you are getting this September. That's all. Now I want to share the result dot save as text file. So I need to give the path. Okay, so I need to create it on the desktop. Let's see. So I will mention it here, and I'm giving the name of this one, that is result3.txt, and let's see whether it works or not. Okay, so it has been created. Now let me show you this one. See. So this is the given file, that is example 3. Now let us go to this one. I think I have shared it. Let me check. Result3.txt. Yes, it has been shared. So if you open this part 001, see September, you are getting this how many times? 3 times. And let me open the part 00. See October, you are getting twice. So what I want to say that if you know this Hadoop, in this case also you are going to get this part file. Similarly here, if you are not installing this Hadoop and you are directly installing the Spark, in that case also the Spark will work, and the same way it will create this part file. So that's all for this, the word count in brief. So you can use a big file and you can do this word counting. So happy coding. If you have any questions, you can ask me.